Dear friends, welcome to Mechatronics. Our make-at-home project is BTA 41 Triac controlled 3000 plus watts soft starter and soft stopper for AC motors. Be careful. Improper working on mains supply is dangerous and involves life risk. Simple mechatronics is not responsible for any consequences. The basic circuit and working of BTA 41 is explained in our previous project, Superb Power Controller. The circuit is improved and modified to suit current project. Additional 0.1 microfarad capacitor is added in parallel, and 180k resistance in series. Now, just test the improved circuit using a bulb, for better visualization of control using variable resistor. Now, replace the variable resistance with light depending resistor, LDR, as shown in the circuit. Connect the bulb again and test the light falling effect on LDR, which affects current flow and the brightness of the bulb. This is the final power board using BTA 41 with high current capacity. This is control board circuit, works on 230 volts AC. These are the components used for control board. On the control board, this is DB107 bridge rectifier, zener diode, start and stop switch. The resistance, 2 LEDs, Trimpot in series and capacitor for delay control. A button is fitted on the switch for safety. Now, power on the circuit, and test the slow increasing and decreasing brightness of red LED, using button switch. Then, adjust the trim pot for changing the delay. You may observe the change in delay of increasing and decreasing brightness of red LED. Now, connect both the circuit boards, using a concealed sleeve, for white LED and LDR. This is the full circuit for the soft starter and soft stopper project. Cut an used sketch pen to make a plastic sleeve, and insert LDR and LED on either side, with a gap in between, then close both the ends. Now, both power board and control board are assembled together, with concealed sleeve as connector. Use required power socket, matching to your electrical equipment, say motor or other load. Select an MCB to match maximum current capacity, or more, as main switch. Now, connect the MCB and power socket to the power board, as shown in the circuit diagram. Also connect control board to MCB output contacts. Then, test the control board once again. Now, your soft starter and soft stopper project is ready to use. Now, test the circuit using a bulb. Press button for soft on and off. The brightness of bulb increases and decreases. Now, connect a reactive load. Here, a drilling machine is connected for testing. Thanks for watching the video. More explanation and more videos are available at Simple Mechatronics website. Links for other projects are available in description below. Bye friends, see you in the next project.